Hello friends, do you know which main coin is giving the highest return in today's date? For example, there is a main coin called Smoke, which has given a return of 1400% within 2 months. Sponge, which is another main coin, has given a return of 4500% within a month. He is Dong Web Hot, which has given a return of 7100% within 2.5 months. I hope you have got the idea that the potential of main coin to make money is very high. But do we know that we can create our own main coin? We will learn this in today's video. And at the end of this video, we will have our own coin in the name of crypto, etc., which you can sell or buy on an exchange, a decentralized exchange. So let's start the video. I have divided the video into 3 parts. Part 1, in which we will set a MO square for ourselves, and in it we will put some B and BIE, whatever is needed to make the coin, which is $2 in the head. And in its second part, we will make the coin and launch it after making the coin. And in the third part, we will add its liquidity. Liquidity means that we will create a pool for other people to buy from one place, so that you people can also invest in the crypto coin that we are creating. So first of all, we come to a new fresh browser, okay? After that, we have come to a new browser. Now what do we have to do first? We need a wallet for ourselves so that we can fund the coin that we are creating. So first of all, we will go to BetaMask. Okay, we will add to Chrome, add extension. The extension has been downloaded here. You can write, is the extension downloaded? We will go to I agree to MAS term and policy, create a new wallet. Let's agree. After that, we will enter any random password. This password has no meaning. Okay, we are just entering it. So we will put this secure my wallet. Okay, we will reveal it. Now I will copy this and paste it somewhere. Okay, I will do next. So remember, we have to show this. Now which one do we need from free? We need 3rd, 4th and 8th. So 3rd is just 4th means, and 8th is 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 next. Okay? So this Mr. Wallet of ours has been set. Like by going here, you can edit in the extension like this. So our wallet has been set. Now first of all, we close it. After that, we come here. I'll open a new tab so it's easier for you to see. I'll come here. Okay? Now here, got it. Okay? Now see? Now we'll choose BNB. Why would we choose BNB? There is a reason behind it, because if the transaction fee on Ethereum is a little higher and plus BNB are also available now, then we will add it, you see. Then we will come here. We will add BNB chain here. Okay? Approve and switch to BNB network. Okay, got it. Now if you see here, earlier it was on Ethereum. Now we have BNB chain. So make sure that there is BNB chain here. Okay? Now after this, we have $0. Okay? So now we will add a little bit of BNB of about $12, $13 to it. You can do it for just $2, because I will also create a liquidity pool. So I will create a liquidity pool of $10. So I'm adding $12. If you want, you can add just $2. It will be done from $2 to $3. Add $3 so that the transaction fee is also included. Okay? So you can go here and verify your account on buy and sell and get it. But I have PNB in my main wallet. So I will just transfer from Wana. So I have to put $13 or $14 in my old wallet, which I use primarily. So right now I have $14. I hope you will go to buy from here, and I will show you once how to buy your verify buy. Go to the buy section here. Okay. After that, get started and choose your country. Okay. Whichever country you are living in. I am in India. So choose that and choose a payment gate from here, like debit card, credit card, UPI here. You can buy by choosing from. So now our first phase is set. We have created a MetaMask wallet and we have added $14 BAMP on it. Now let's come to phase 2. So face to face, first of all, we have to create a remix ID, and I will put the link of all these in the description. After opening the remix ID, is it okay? As soon as it opens, you have to come here and create a new file. Now I will name the new file cryptocurrency.son.sol. You have to put it here, okay? Because this is the code of solidity. So you have to put .so. Okay. You have to put this .sula. That means you can put any name, but it should be .sula. Now we will put a place in it. Okay, here is our code. I will put the link of this code in the description. Now pay attention to this, okay? Wherever you have written a name, you will put whatever name you want for your cryptocurrency. Like I have put, please put currency. So you can put anything here. So for now, I will give it the reason of keeping the currency on triple. Okay, make it bigger by 1. Decrypt, etc. And this one is a symbol, okay? Like there is a symbol of Ethereum, there is a symbol of Ethereum, there is a symbol of BT, CBNB, the symbol of, migrants is BNB, the symbol of currency in CCREP is CRM. So you can change this as well. After that, how much quantity do you want? So if you want 100 quantity, then write 100 here. If you want, let's say 1 lakh quantity, then write 1 lakh here. Rest this into 10% to the power 10 you can ignore because its decimal value is up to 10. So this much quantity has to be filled. So you can write as much quantity as you want. For now, you have to fill only 100 coins. How many? Just 100 coins. Okay. So I wrote the quantity of 100. I wrote the name of the coin. I wrote the symbol of my coin. Now I will give you the rest of the code in the description. Okay. After that we come. Now we will go to the compiler here solidly. Now see here it is written 0802. So I will choose this compiler. Okay, and after that I will compile it. See, once it is compiled, okay, here the tick comes compilation successful. After that, we will come below it and deploy. Okay, to deploy, first we will choose the injected provider media mass. Okay, as soon as we click this, our media mass will pop up and we will collect it. Once it is corrected, okay, now our code is ready. We will reply. Okay, now you can see below, I will have to approve the reply as well. Okay, how much does it deduct for deploying? You guys will remember that we have around 14 billion. Okay, now here, the creation of no campaign is going on slowly. Okay, now our cryptocurrency is ready. Now see this is the contract address. Okay, this is important. Contract address is important. Now we will see why this is important. We copied this. We came here, okay? Now you will be looking here. Token shows 0.23BMD. Now the token that I have entered is not showing. So what will we do? Go to import tokens. Here we will paste the address that I had copied from here. See, the token symbol CRM has come here. And the public disabled number that was 10 has come. Okay, I will go next. I will import it. Okay? Now it started showing me that the 100 CRMs that I have created, which are hereby going to crypto, have come. And you can see here, 12, $33 are left. I think in the beginning we had 13. 56 minus 12, 33. So our total has come here. It was 56. No, it was 13. 56, it was something like that. So that many dollars were spent in making it, in creating a token of BNB. Okay, after that, we now come to our third step. Our third step is to make the token that we have created available to people, meaning people can buy it. Okay, so I will connect wallet now. So now keep in mind that in whichever wallet I had connected and created, I will connect the same wallet. So that wallet of mine got connected. If you see here also FC is last. Here also FC is last, which means this is the wallet we had created. Okay, now I will go to trade. After trade, we always used to go to swap. But after going to trade, we will come to liquidity. Okay, coming to liquidity, we will add liquidity. Choose spoken pair. So we will choose here. Okay, look, this is which one. This one I pasted, this one also, this one, which is the contract address. Okay, I pasted this contract address here. Like I pasted it here on CRM, it came there. We will import. I understand import. Okay, now we will create this with Ben. Okay. So now we have used CRM here. Here we have used Ben, and here Ben Bail L2 free tier, which you have chosen FTA025. This means if you see, you can choose from here. Now we come to how much we have to deposit. So we are creating this liquidity. So just look. Now I have created a token, but that token will remain only with me. So what is the benefit? Okay, so everyone can access it. For that, we will deposit here. So how much quantity should I enter? I will enter 80% quantity. Okay, and instead of 80%, I will enter $10 with 75. Okay, I have made it 9 here. So I hope I make it 8 minutes. I will make it 7. Okay, $10 has come. Okay, it is showing pending here. Okay, now it is done. Okay, now we will add create pair and supply. So now what is happening now in CRM is that I am putting cryptocurrency token and this much BNB. So that means a CRM will cost this much BNB. Okay, right now I am creating a parent account and I'm investing $10 in it. I do not have a account in a BNB account to pay for transaction fee. Why do not I have it? How much do I have? Okay, reject it. It's $12. Okay, so I'll reduce it a little bit and put it at 75%. Okay, add and confirm. Piyush, is it okay? My transaction is going through now. The transaction is done. Let's check it now. Okay. Now I'm left with only 20 CRMs and $1 left. That means my liquidity has gone up. Now we come to swap. Okay. On swap, let's say now I see how much is the value of one of my CRMs. Okay. So now I will create a CRM. So the value of a CRM is $0.1 as you can see. So in this way we have created a token called cryptocurrency whose value is this much. Okay. The value of each cryptocurrency token is $0.1. Okay. So this way you can create your own coin and whatever links I have used. You will find their link in the description, and if you have any query, then you can tell me by writing in the comment section. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.